Eye protection is important at work and at home. Your favorite shades protect you from the sun, but when you're hustling at your job or playing the role of a weekend warrior at home, you'll need eye protection that works better than just your standard sunnies. Safety goggles and safety glasses are the go-to choices for many, but how do you know which ones you need? We'll cover the differences and help you decide. Number 1. What is safety goggle? Safety goggles offer all-around protection for your eyes. These are the eyewear pieces you remember from lab classes in school. They are large, fit over your entire eye area, and offer full optical protection from airborne pathogens, splashes, spills, and flying objects. Safety goggles form an airtight seal on your eye area, which may be necessary for some professions. Usually, safety goggles have an adjustable rubber strap that fits around the head. Safety goggles can be worn with corrective frames as they will fit over the glasses and do not have arms that would interfere with the arms of your corrective frames. Number 2. What is safety glass? Safety glasses are like safety goggles, but they don't offer the same level of protection. Safety glasses are made from the same type of lightweight and shatter-resistant polycarbonate material you'll find in safety goggles. Safety glasses use side arms that you place over your ears to fit your face, the same way you wear your regular glasses or sunglasses. The frames usually have side shields that protect your eyes on the sides, where normal glasses usually have a large gap. Number 3. Protection. Safety goggles offer complete protection around your eye. Safety glasses may only offer protection around the front and sides, not to the top. Number 4. Comfortable. Safety glasses are more comfortable and lightweight. Safety goggles can be bulky, difficult to take on and off, and painful. Number 5. Corrective lenses. Safety glasses can't be worn with your corrective lenses. Safety goggles can be worn over corrective lenses, but there's no guarantee you'll enjoy the way it feels. Number 6. Final verdict. Both safety goggles and safety glasses have a tendency to fog. This means you'll have to take them off to wipe the lenses. Anytime you remove your protective eyewear, there's a chance you could injure your eye or contaminate your glasses with dirty hands or cleaning rags. Neither safety goggles nor safety glasses are a good look for your profile picture. If only there was a way to get the full eye protection offered by safety goggles with the lightweight comfortability provided by safety glasses. Oh, and make them look good, too.